Mamma mia! So good. Because I know. It's because I'm not wearing any pants. Not any pants, any trousers. So when I sneak in after pressing recording from the camera, I go very quickly, and I make it for a couple of seconds. So that's the whole point.
So everyone knows this, right?
Everybody knows. I think so. Yeah. I was famous in high school.
So your skinny legs are undercover.
Yes, my skinny legs, like a deer, mostly. Hello everyone, how's it going?
Hello, good afternoon.
Welcome to Between Two Italians, quarantine edition.
Special.
It's a special. I don't know how long this special will last, as we don't know how long we will have to be in quarantine.
Exactly, yes.
But welcome back to the show. So we have today a nice sponsor, which is Press.
Yes. And I'm very hot. I really feel
it's very hot, yes.
Right now.
We have been given tons of these incredible, great
healthy goodies, which in this very moment.
Yes, they're very good.
To help our defensive system is very important.
How are you doing, by the way?
I'm very well. I feel very hot again.
Yeah, I know.
It's very warm here.
It's in my presence. It's in my presence. The room's up.
It might be. You make me blush.
That's so nice. It's so nice. Okay, so today we have a special guest.
Yes.
She's spectacular.
Yes.
What's her name?
She is, I will ask her how to pronounce it, but it's Ina Rahesha. Rahesha, yeah?
India, oh my gosh, yes. Our guest today is from India. We are so happy. She's quite brilliant. Yeah, she's.
Yes, we will discover that.
We will discover that. We don't want to spoil anything, but we can. She started recording, so we can call her up.
Call her.
Let's see. It's happening.
Hello.
Hey, Ina!
Hello,
How's it
Ina,
going?
we can't see you.
We can't see you. What happens?
Can you see me now?
No.
It's okay?
No.
No? Either?
Really? Oh, just a sec.
Okay, just a second, yeah.
I don't know what is wrong. Just a moment.
Yeah. Hina, you're killing us.
We want to see you.
We want to see you, we want to make love with you.
Nice to see me too, but so here is a notification which has like a cross on the camera. I don't know why.
I can see that.
Okay, I can see, yes. That's the notification that
Oh,
says.
you might have switched off the video.
How are you dressed up? Describe yourself.
I'm Indian. I'm dressed like as an
Indian.
Indian.
How's the Indian outfit? Is it like something for to pray, like with a temple?
I imagine something colorful.
Hey, Ina!
Hina, hello.
See me now.
Hello,
Oh,
finally.
you look fantastic!
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And properly Indian dressed. Yes.
And colorful. I can see you. She has all the buttons in different colors.
That's what I
love
do.
that.
I do that. You know, when I do that, she's always like, oh, you shouldn't do that. You
No,
know?
that's not true.
Yeah, you do that, yeah.
No.
Unbelievable. How are you doing, Hina?
I am doing great. How are you guys?
Yeah, we are brilliant. What's with the? You have something here, right, in the middle?
It is called bindi.
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 Okay, what does it mean? Is it like a festivity or something?
So it's an accessory and it obviously has some science behind it.
Okay.
So basically here is the third eye, the third eye. Like we.
Oh, the third eye.
Oh, the third eye. Okay, yes.
So it has something to do with that, and all the ladies and girls here in India used to apply this. I mean, it's obviously a choice, but it's an accessory. So whenever we are dressed up, we apply this.
So I do have a
And it
follow-up
comes in different
question. Because it's a third eye. When you're wearing glasses, do you need to have a third glass on here? Does it work like
Or
that?
a lens.
Or like a lens, a monocle? No? Is it?
No.
It's safe not.
So third eye, I meant like something had to do with the God and concentration, meditation, and all of that spiritual stuff.
Yes, okay. What kind of? I heard that in India you have many gods. So you have like 200 gods. Is that correct?
Maybe more than that.
More than that.
So, So that's why I say that I believe in God, like only one, so that I don't have to answer about
It's
it.
easier. It's easier. I mean, yeah, of course. Otherwise, it's very hard to please everyone, right? Especially.
Yeah, exactly. And like it's like in every village, like every time you cross like 20 kilometers, you have a new God. So
Really?
That's amazing. It's incredible. How can you cope with so many gods?
Unbelievable.
I don't do that. I don't do that.
So you have
there
just-
are some gods who allows you to have alcohol. There are some gods who doesn't allow that. There are some who allow you to have
okay.
non-vegetarian. Then there are few who doesn't allow that.
This is
So
brilliant,
that's why
eh?
I have to say that I believe in everyone, because I mean I
You
want
believe
to
in everyone.
That's actually fair enough, because then there is they allow basically to be in competition between each other, so you can choose your pick and your own god.
Do they work like competition, like businesses? Can they lower the price or something like that?
No. It's nothing like that. There is no competition between the gods.
Okay,
it
so-
it is all thankfully they are safe from competition.
So they don't offer like weekend deals, like for this weekend only you can drink alcohol. They don't do this.
So I would like to tell you one thing, that there is one temple here in India, like only one temple, where you actually like, I am not getting the exact word, like you offer the alcohol to that god. I mean, you take the liquor bottles inside, you offer that, like the alcohol to that god, he drinks that, it is a belief that he actually drinks that alcohol, and
Oh
it is
my
served
God.
alcohol.
Yeah, I see.
Someone's drinking it. Someone is drinking it, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Does this god accept any type of alcohol? Like if I bring in whiskey, will be still good, or beer, or
Erica
any
likes
type of
whiskey,
alcohol,
yeah.
right?
Any kind of alcohol.
Any, okay.
Erica is a whiskey person, as you can see. Yeah.
I'm a whiskey person, yeah.
That's a Beggy whiskey from Scotland.
I would like to show you my glass of water. So it's like 1 liter glass
Nice,
of water.
I love this.
I mean,
yeah.
it looks like one from the bartenders,
Like the
with the alcohol inside.
Okay, here in India, a drink called lassi, it is very famous. So it's a lassi glass. Lassi, I'm sure you must not have heard of it, but it's something
Yes,
which is
yeah.
made of curd.
Awesome! Oh my gosh, yeah. I mean,
amazing,
we can't
yeah.
wait to go to India, and it's something that oh my gosh, yeah.
We can't wait. We
Can't wait. I would like to have a great tour. I know it's very big. It will probably take like a couple of months.
Yes.
But we definitely
You
need to
should
go,
come.
yeah.
I will be your host. You stay at my place. I will show you the country around. You will
Oh,
love it.
that's so.
Thank you so much.
Sukra.
That's very kind. Shukra.
Yeah.
Shukriya.
Shukriya.
Shukriya. I
So you
knew-
have to say namaste also. Since you said Shukriya, you have to say namaste also. That's
Shukriya.
how we do it.
Shukriya namaste.
Shukriya
Namaste.
Where are you calling from exactly? Whereabouts
yeah.
from India?
I am in Bangalore right now, which is in the southern part of India.
Okay.
Super.
And how's the weather? How's the weather like?
It is amazing. In Bangalore, it is amazing, like 24/7, 365.
Nice.
It's very pleasant.
That's my ideal weather. And what kind of animals do we have over there? Do we have like? Because I think we have tigers and elephants, right?
I think.
Elephants are there, like there are a lot of elephants here in the southern part of India. Tigers, yes. There
Do they
are
go
national
shopping
parks
as well
also.
in the markets?
No.
The animals, do they go there? No.
Do you have your personal elephant
Do you have a person?
taking you to travel around the country? And,
Do you have your tiger pet?
We own very small apartments here. We cannot keep elephants at home. And what will we do with the elephants?
Can you leave it outside maybe? Can you? No, you can't leave it parked outside together with the car, the bicycle. No.
Wow, that sounds like a good idea. You come to India, I'll gift you one elephant.
we can experiment that, right?
That would be brilliant if you think we go to India for a couple of months and then we come back in the UK with an elephant. That would be okay. This is our next idea. Yes. And a bad joke as well. Okay. So Hina, we have a question. So how have your habits changed since the quarantine?
Since the quarantine, I am actually much more busier than before, because
Okay.
my sister and my husband, they both are staying at my house. I mean, my husband obviously lives with me, but my
Okay.
sister has also shifted, and so I have to manage those two also. Plus, I have to manage my work also.
Your
so I
husband
just-
is a thing to be managed.
I totally agree, Hina. Totally agree. I'm with you. I'm with you.
Yeah, classic. And is your husband busier than before because you're giving him tasks to do to perform?
Yeah, so you know what? Like as the day starts, we have made a WhatsApp group. I assign the task in that group so that
Really?
we have everything in written. Because whenever I tell him to do something, he's like, I forgot. So
Really?
then I realized I should write it down so that you don't forget. You have to wash utensils and you have to do it.
Amazing,
It's like that
amazing.
nowadays.
What do you do at the end of the day? Do you check that he has done all the tasks? Like, do you go? Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
have a fine system also. So once he's not able to do anything, he has to deposit some money in my account.
No. This is genius.
You see? That's thinking forward.
I mean, it's hilarious, but I think I can't agree with that. Okay, if you want to do it, I will do it. Yeah. How much money? Are we talking like £1,000 per day? Or are we talking some? Yeah.
£1,000 is a lot. £1,000 in Indian currency, it's like 80,000 rupees, 80,000 INR.
Okay.
That would be too much.
How much?
It's like 1,000 INR, which is close to 15 pounds. 13 to 15
okay.
pounds.
Okay, that's pretty good.
I do have a very interesting follow-up question, which is what's the price, an average price for a house where you are in rupees or pounds? Yeah.
In rupees,
Yeah.
it's 30,000 per month. 30,000 INR.
Oh, that would be the rent.
Yeah, that is the rent.
That is the rent. Okay. And instead, what about to buy?
You get like a decent house in like 80 lakhs in Indian currency.
80.
80
80,000
lakhs.
lakhs.
And how much is in pounds?
Divided by 80. So it comes out to, just a second, 1 lakh pound. 1
Okay.
lakh pound.
So it's
100,000 pound.
100,000. Okay.
Oh, 100,000. Okay. Yes, I was confused with that. It's very good. Yes, you know.
Very good.
Because yeah.
And you can have an elephant.
Oh my God.
Right? Yes.
Have you ever fed an elephant?
No,
No,
we
this-
don't have elephants at house.
I don't know. Erica
So
brought up the elephant. I wanted to ask a question about the elephant. Yeah.
So there are so many national parks here in India, like so many national parks. So there you can actually find elephants when you go out to safaris and all of that. You will
Amazing.
not find it in the city.
Oh no.
You have to-
Okay. What are you doing new into the quarantine? Something that you weren't doing before. Do you go
Okay,
naked
so-
around the house? Or do you
Do you travel around
What's
the
happening?
house?
Yeah.
So I am actually trying to create some kind of new content for my social media channels, for my YouTube and for my Instagram, which
Okay.
includes a lot of things. For example, I'm trying a lot of art and craft stuff at home.
Okay.
And there is a tradition in India, which you must know about it, that parents used to gift a lot of new dresses, which includes like very heavy traditional Indian dresses at the time of marriage. So since I got married, I never got a chance to wear any of those dresses. So I am thinking to wear all of that and make videos around it. So
It's amazing.
Hey, that's great. Okay.
That's brilliant, yeah.
Perfect.
Do you want to leave your social profiles so that people can follow you?
yeah, of course. So people can follow me on my Instagram. You have to search HINA_RAHEJA. It's
Okay.
Hina_Raheja.
I know that you travel a lot. So are you missing traveling in this very moment?
I am missing traveling a lot, like anything. So I'm just waiting for this quarantine to end and I'll just run out of my
To
house.
be over,
I'm not really
unbelievable,
come back
yeah.
for a month.
What's the situation in where you are at the moment? How is people coping with that? Are they scared?
There are so many different kind of people in India. So few
Yeah.
people are actually scared. Few are still chilling out. They are like we are not gonna get affected by it because we believe in God and
Okay.
God and goddesses will take care of all that. So there is that kind of population also. But then there is a population which is just lockdown, like us.
Uh-huh.
We are not going out anywhere, so that is it. I mean, we're just waiting for this to end. That's it.
You know, I want you to play a game. I want you to play a game. Do you have a glass of water with you?
Water, yeah.
Fantastic. We can get a glass of water. Erika, can you get it? Because I'm not wearing any trousers. So if I get up, people will see
Fortunately,
me.
I'm wearing them.
Can you put some water as well? Erika, you just got me the glass without the water. Okay, so the game is we are going to sing a song with some water in the mouth, and you have to guess which song this is. Okay, I'm gonna go first. Okay.
You have to say Hindi song if you want me to guess.
It's a good point.
Yes, I would just watch her.
I don't know. Can we try? Do you know Italian opera? I don't know.
I doubt that I know your songs. I mean,
Okay, I'll try one. Let's see if we can do. This is pretty easy. It's very famous on the world. Let's try.
Okay. I do it already. I cannot do that. I'm sorry, but this is not the game.
Do you know which song he was trying to sing?
No clue.
Do you know which is? Yeah.
Castle on the Hill.
Castle on the Hill from Ed Sheeran.
From Ed Sheeran.
Okay,
yeah.
Erika.
But actually, no, I won't do that.
Erika, you're gonna do great.
No.
Okay, you go next, Hina. You go next. Any song you can play.
I would like to sing a Punjabi song in that case. So because
Yeah, you can go with that. You can go with that.
challenge.
We can try.
Oh shit.
I know the song.
But it's like, which one is
The translation of the name of the song is One Tear to Cry.
Where
Is it?
No.
No, it's not.
No,
Maybe I was thinking to another one.
Which
yeah.
one is? Which one?
So it's a Punjabi song. It's Jine mera dil lutya oh jine mainu maar sutya oh.
Sounds brilliant.
It has the rhythm.
It is a rhythm,
तुमके बुलारे उजलड़ लड़ बड़ा कर दी होय कर दी शायद तो मिठियां जिने मेरा दिल लुटिया oh.
I can see there is a dance as well.
That's high five on
That's
this.
amazing. We love this. High five.
Okay, Hina, you have been fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and have a wonderful afternoon. And we talk to you next week.
Perfect.
Fantastic.
See you then.
Much love to you.
Much love. Mwah, Hina, you've been great.
Bye, Hina.
Let's do it.
Bye.
Mwah. And namaste.
See you.
And namaste. My dear. She was great. Oh my god, that's so good. So happy. Oh my god.
Great, yes.
Plus, you know, she's probably the farthest guest that we've had so far. It is great to learn because we know our neighbor, right? And we know about Italy because we listen to our parents that are there, and friends and families that we have in Italy. But we don't know anything about another country that is quite far.
This is true. Yeah, it's amazing.
And that we are so fascinated about because it is such a different culture. We would like to go there anyway.
Yes.
We
learned that we can have different gods.
Yeah,
It's very interesting.
that's very witty and very intelligent to have more than one. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
200. Yeah, you can choose. Yeah.
More than 200, she said.
Yeah.
Like,
One question that we haven't asked is, can you change God week by week?
she said that she believes in many. So
In many?
so she's allowed to do different things with different gods.
The Vatican won't probably be happy about this. So
We might ask, shall we call remotely the Pope?
okay, we'll
So-
try to get in touch with the Pope.
This is a call
Yeah.
for Francesco.
Francesco, we're gonna interview you, okay? Next week, okay? So get ready, dress up properly. Okay, guys? Grazie, anche tu grazie. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye, guys, love you. Bye.
Bye.